Hello, dear audience. Welcome to Earthquake Strokes. You are watching Earthquake Strokes, and we are informing you about an earthquake which occurred in Alaska Attu station. Today, 15 February 2022, an earthquake hits Attu station, Alaska. The Geological Survey report. The first German Research Center for Geoscience reported its magnitude was 4.3, and second then United States Geological Survey reported that its magnitude was 4.3 and it was at 6 a.m. according to local time. For more updates, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye till next video.